So I have the Samsung Q80R in for review, and like with everything else I review on this channel, I like to give you guys as good an example as I can of what it's like to use it in a real world setting. So this is the gaming demo. Stick around. Hey guys, it's Villaman here, and on this channel we bring you the tech of entertainment, all in 4K HDR. So if you're into that kind of stuff, then hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. You should. You really should. Alright, so if you guys haven't checked out the unboxing and setup guide, then you should check it out in the card up there. But for those of you who have, let's get on with it. Now the Q80R is new for 2019. It replaces the Q8FN from 2018 and is a full array local dimming backlight LCD TV and sits right below the Q90R. I'll be looking at that one soon enough. Now this TV doesn't have an HDMI 2.1 port, but it does have some HDMI 2.1 features, like for instance in this gaming demo, auto low latency mode. The TV also supports Freesync on the Xbox One S and Xbox One X, and what that does is it adjusts the refresh rate of the TV to be in sync with the Xbox to reduce judder and tearing. So for this gaming demo, I'll be playing God of War on the PS4 Pro and Wolfenstein on the Xbox One X. They'll both be in quality mode, so the PS4 Pro will have 4K at 30 frames per second, while the Xbox One X will have 60 frames per second. Gotta test that FreeSync out to see how it performs. So before we get into the demo, there's some observations I want to share with you. So first of all is the picture quality. There is ample shadow detail in game mode on the Q80R, but the side effect of that is that the picture sometimes seems washed out and lacking contrast. There are still occasions where the colors seem saturated and at one point even oversaturated, but the colors still seem like they lack contrast, and as a result the picture just doesn't pop off the screen as I'd like. The TV automatically switches to game mode, so that's one less thing you have to do when you're trying to play a game. It also has Game Motion Plus enabled by default, but you should disable this because it just makes it seem very unnatural and leads to some artifacts. The TV is plenty responsive and I had no issues with input lag. There was no picture uniformity issues either, like dirty screen effect or ghosting. There was some haloing though, but even though it's a full array local dimming TV, it doesn't have as many zones as the Q90R, so that's the price you pay. Oh, and one last thing before we get into the demo. If you want to buy this TV or some cool Villaman merch, then I left links in the description below. Let's get to it.
Fuck this up, boy!
She's probably not coming back, is she? Okay. What is that? That stuff's strong. I think you killed it. Look up there. Whoa, what's that about?
Not our concern, boy. Focus.
They keep murdering the lighthouse.
It is war. The end of one. The loved one's lost.
I'll bring him down. What are they attacking us for? We didn't do anything.
More will come.
Ugh. Where's this stuff even come from?
yourself a new exit.
Achtung, Explosion im Angebot. Sicherheitskennwagen Bereich 140 Minuten. Wiederhole, Explosion im Angebot. Sicherheitskennwagen Bereich 140 Minuten.
Have to recharge this thing somewhere.